Hello, welcome to the community of the port of Lázaro Cárdenas. Here, you can get the most trusted information for the most important port of Mexico.
Recently, the port operator Hutchison Port Holding, HPH, announced an important investment of 450 million pesos, which has the fundamental objective of strengthening the infrastructure of the container terminal here in the port of Lázaro Cárdenas. In this framework, the Tech 1 receives 2 new Super Post-Panamax container cranes and 5 RTG yard cranes, with the objective to fortify their operations. With this arrival, the Tech 1 will have 11 Super Post-Panamax cranes, with which the port of Lázaro Cárdenas operates 21% of the country's containerized cargo. Under this dynamic, the port zone is considered as a leader in the movement of TEUs, or containers measuring 20 feet in the Americas, handling an average of 118 containers per hour from vessels, and with the investments mentioned, further drives the efficiency with greater technology, thus benefiting national and international trade.
In the port of Lázaro Cárdenas, we are very interested in agility when it comes to load movement, but without the support of the port community, this couldn't be.
Effective coordination between the customs agencies of Lázaro Cárdenas and the port container terminal has resulted from better streamlining of container reviews, decidedly contributing to the better flow of containerized goods. It's worth mentioning that the previous average percentage grew from 89% in 2012 to a current rate of 96%. Resulting from this and other actions is the handling of close to 1 million containers during the past year of 2013, to an expectation of mobilizing by the end of this year, 2014, nearly 1.1 million TEUs.
Under the instructions of President Enrique Peña Nieto, as Secretary of Communications and Transportation, Gerardo Ruiz Esparza is working hard for the growth of the port of Lázaro Cárdenas.
The port of Lázaro Cárdenas is working each and every day to become the largest logistics center in Latin America, looking to use all the commercial benefits from the various free trade agreements our country has signed, such as those with the United States and Canada. One of the competitive advantages the port zone has is its trustworthiness, along with the fact that it keeps growing, and of which Guillermo Ruiz de Teresa, the coordinator of ports and merchant marine, affirms that here we work, and we work well, on time and without problems. This is confirmed with the recent integration of the NYK shipping line, which has begun direct operations in the port. In a ceremony celebrated with the port community, NYK announced the opening of a new direct service with its own ships for the handling of loads from the United States to the port of Caldera in Costa Rica, with stops in Ensenada, Manzanillo, and of course, Lázaro Cárdenas.
The port of Lázaro Cárdenas drives the development of prevention mechanisms for contingencies, maintaining the development of confidence in its operations.
Individuals from the Pacific Training Center for Damage Control and Firefighting, from the 10th Naval Zone, and the Integral Port Administration of Lázaro Cárdenas Fire Department coordinated a training program of mutual benefit for the best techniques and practices for immediate response to contingencies from the distinct perspectives of training which both institutions carry out. Thus, SECA-SIPA staff participated in training provided by firefighting operations from the Apilac Fire Department. This included rescue practices for floor-level and uneven surfaces, fire rescue, and pre-hospital support. And similarly, the Apilac Fire Department received a course of interchange of technical marine firefighting tactics in which they practiced with personal protective equipment and exercises in damage control, phases of fire, water jet firefighting, surrounding flames, as well as lifting and dragging rescue techniques. The work coordinated between SEMAR and Apilac for the ongoing preparation and constant training of personnel for contingency attention and prevention represents the high value for life-saving and protection in the port installations. Yet another view from which the trustworthy operation of the Port of Lázaro Cárdenas can be seen.
As you can see, it's here on the blog of the port community of Lázaro Cárdenas, where you will find everything related with your port. We'll see you next time.